enough breath, huh?
Yeah. To my surprise. Hey guys, Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have something you can take off-road. It is a 2008 Jeep Wrangler X, two-door, finished in an awesome bright red with a lovely gray interior. You can see this Jeep is a desirable 5-speed manual. However, you can tell that it has been not been modified, so it's basically kind of like it was the day it was driven off the lot. The tires are awesome, the wheels are beautiful. Definitely something that you would want to take the top off of and, you know, take it out for a weekend, maybe through the mud if that's something you like to do, or maybe you just want to take it out to the beach with your family. Whatever it is, this Jeep can definitely handle it. You have a 3.8 liter, this is a V6 engine, and once again it is connected to a 5-speed manual transmission. So definitely an awesome SUV here, and one that is fun for you and the whole family. It seats a total of 4. Once again, you have the nice wheels and tires. And here on the passenger side, you can see we do have the lovely gray interior. It's definitely nice. It doesn't look like it's been abused. It looks like the original owner definitely took good care of it and enjoyed it as maybe more of a beach cruiser. You can definitely tow with it. You have a tow package as well. And in the back here, the nice large speakers. This is always something good that you could use in a parade. If the color of your business has red in it, I would say put your business name on the side of it, take the top off, drive it around. Maybe if it's a parade, everybody can hang off the side. Those are always fun things you can do with these cars. So, or trucks, sorry. I'm gonna take it out on a test drive and show you how it runs. Get this started up for you guys and get us going. I'm just gonna drive around here. We do need gas in the car. I'm telling you guys, we don't always have the most time getting from the dealership out here for these videos. Wow. I love driving stuff like this. It's so fun.
Nice cold air conditioning.
Yeah, nice. Definitely nice cold air conditioning. You do have your low gears, your high gears. Second. Once again, low gears, high gears. You have your sway bar, your axle lock. Buttons here, your
ESP.
Yes. Vroom, vroom.
Bouncy.
Yeah. Don't want to hit too many bushes.
You know, that's a great Jeep to go off-roading.
You know, I'm
Not too expensive anymore.
Yeah, I'm clearly gonna be. Sorry about that. Wow. I'm gonna baby it a lot more than you probably would, because it is for sale by us, but it is definitely a whole lot of fun to drive, and I clearly need to throw my seatbelt on.
Yeah, it's just banging a little bit.
Yeah. Awesome car. I'm being quick because I have another one to do tonight and the sun is setting, but just 96,000 miles. This is one for you, your family, your friends, anybody and everybody. Where is Ryan? Right there.
Ryan? Hey Ryan.
Whoop, whoop. You guys give us a call if this is of interest to you. My name's Marianne. It's 239-263-8500. Autohaus Naples on the web. And look, it's a country music station, of course.
Yes.
And again, it's 239-263-8500. Find us on social media, and please subscribe, share our page.
That's cruise control, you can see.
Yeah, it's a wonderful
And
Jeep.
crank windows.
Yes.
Nothing to break.
No, I actually, yeah, this is
It's a
great.
perfect
And look at
beach
the, I
car.
love the speakers.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I think that it's perfect for that. One last time, the phone number, 239-263-8500. It's affordable, it's great. it's safe and fun for you and the whole family. See you guys in the next one.